How to set phone call vibration to silent on the Samsung Galaxy S25 series. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. And from the home screen, open up the phone application. Then tap on the More button. From the pop-up menu, tap on Settings. Now in Call Settings, we scroll down and then tap on Call Alerts and Ringtone. Then scroll down in here, tap on Ringtone. And at the top here, tap on Vibrate while ringing. Next in here, tap on Silent. So make sure you set it to silent, and that's it. After we tap on the back key, then tap on the back key here. Now you can also change the call vibration from down here. So instead of going to ringtone, you can also tap on call vibration from here. And from here, you can also choose silent or sync with ringtone or other vibration pattern. Now, because we want to set it to silent, so we're going to set it to silent. And that's it. After, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.